Okay, here's the script. Intro music with RoamTips.com logo. Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're tackling a super common question: how to allow TikTok access to your photos on your iPhone. It's easier than you think, and I'm gonna show you 2 quick ways to do it. This is based on my own experience, so hopefully it helps you out. And if you find this useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Links to anything mentioned will be in the description. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Through the TikTok app settings. First, open up your iPhone settings app. Now, scroll down until you find your list of apps. Keep scrolling until you see TikTok listed. Tap on the TikTok app. Okay, once you're in the TikTok settings, look for Photos at the top. Tap on that. Now, you'll have some options. You can either choose limited access or full access. For this example, I'm going to select full access. Tap Allow full access to confirm. That's it. Now the next time you go to TikTok and try to access your photo library, you should have full access as normal. Method 2. Through privacy settings. There's another way to do this too. Go back to your iPhone settings app again. This time, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and tap on that. Now, scroll down a little bit until you see Photos, and tap on that. Here you'll see a list of all the apps that have requested or currently have access to your photo library. Find TikTok in the list and tap on it. Again, you can choose from the options. I'm going to select Full Access and tap Allow Full Access. And that's it. You should now be able to access your photo library within TikTok. Outro. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to give TikTok access to your photos on your iPhone. Hopefully that was helpful. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.